Hello, my little warriors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel eSchool Bell. In this question, we'll see question number 7 of Chapter 8 Trigonometry, Class 10 CBSE. Now, this particular problem we can do in two methods. One is we can use Pythagoras theorem and solve it, and the next method is using trigonometry identities. However, this particular question comes under Chapter 8.1. So, in 8.1, you have been not taught with trigonometry identities because it starts after 8.1 exercise. Therefore, we will do this problem using the Pythagorean theorem method. Okay. So, what we are given is cot theta is 7 by 8. We have to evaluate number 1. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and into 1 minus cos theta. So, cot theta is given by cot theta is given by adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. So, let us draw a triangle. Okay. Let us name this as ABC. A, B, C. And this as theta. So, using Pythagorean theorem, so here adjacent is basically given as 7 and opposite is given as 8. 7 by 8. Using Pythagorean theorem, we will find the hypotenuse. AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square, and AB square is 8 square and BC square is 7 square. That equals 64 plus 49, which is equal to 113. So, AC square is equal to 113, and therefore, AC will be equal to root of 113. So, AC is basically hypotenuse. We know hypotenuse 113, then adjacent or base as 7 and opposite side equal to 8. Now, let us take the problem. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore, we can write this as 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta. Okay. Now, we substitute. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta will be opposite is 8 and hypotenuse is root 113, and cos theta is adjacent is 7 and hypotenuse root 113. Okay. Now, we will substitute that here. 1 minus 8 by root 113 the whole square divided by, it's not minus, this is not plus, this is minus, 1 minus 7 by root 113 the whole square. That equals 1 minus 64 by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. This implies, so 113 minus 64 divided by 113 and 113 minus 49 divided by 113. 113 get cancelled. So, you will get here on the numerator 113 minus 64 will be equal to 49, and 113 minus 49 will be equal to 64. This is the answer for this particular question. Hope you understood. Second part of the question is, find cot square theta. So that is equal to 7 square minus 8 square, which is equal to 49 by 64. This is a straightforward question. Therefore, cot square theta will be equal to 49 by 64. This is the answer for the second part of the question. Hope you understood the working. You can also do this because this part you can write as 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta as per trigonometry identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But since you have been not taught with the trigonometry identities, so I don't want to use that. We can use this hypotenuse method or the Pythagorean method and solve this particular question. Hope you understood the working of this problem. We'll see in the next question. Thank you.